Okay, what is up, guys? What is up, guys? What is up? And today's trading day was a bit stressing, but I managed to leave the chart with some profits today and mark the end of my losing streak. Hopefully, it depends what I may see tomorrow, but yeah, nice TP, nice price delivery today, but I made some mistakes while I was managing these positions right here. So initially I was supposed to enter at this candle right here. This candle right here, this big black candle right here. As price was supposed to first tag me in at this candle here, then target for this swing low right here on the hourly time frame. But as soon as price reached this my first break even point, which was this low right here, I wanted to close half of the position, but I don't know how. I made a mistake. Then I closed the entire position. Then I had to look for a re-entry. It was right here. Yeah, the re-entry was right here. I had to look for the re-entry. Then I entered the trade, and the trade tagged me in, and it edged my TP. I exited early before price could even tag me out on my break even, because I needed those profits to kind of supplement the other losses that I had in the previous week and yesterday. So I exited early mainly because of the losing streak. But if this was a normal trade, I wouldn't have exited early, though it would have already tagged me out on break even right here, because these weeks, as you can see, these weeks come back and tapped into my entry right here, my break even right here. This was my break even point. I'll leave the live execution in the video, in this YouTube video. You will check it out. Yeah, we'll check it out. So price would have already tagged me out, and the main reason and the other reason why I exited early, it's because this line right here, this was a swing low on the 1 hour time frame, which is regularly my higher time frame. So I expected that price will just rip to the upside, possibly taking out these highs, then dropping again. But it just edged, tapped into my break even, then dropped down. Though I was correct that price was going to tag me out, but if my entry was right here, I would have held this trade until it hit TP. I would have held this trade. But it is what it is. At least I got some profits, and yeah, at least I got some profits. Let's go into the trade recap. So starting off from the hourly time frame, market open. Let me first mark out market open right here. Market open was right around. Yeah, market open was right around here. Market open was right around here, and price had already formed the swing high right here. Price had already formed the swing high right here, and we had consequent. And I wanted price to first tap into this consequent encroachment level of this week right here. And I also started implementing consequent encroachment levels in my trading strategy because I think they are really good. I saw them for certain trade as well. I also started trying them out. So price tapped into the consequent encroachment level of this week right here and took out this high. So those were two confirmations that price may be bearish in this session. So I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame. My 1 minute. Okay. So I dropped down to my 1 minute time frame, and price gave from the market structure shift. Then I put my entry at this side right here. I got tagged in. Price, I already said this, price tapped into reach my break even point. Instead of closing half of the position, I closed the entire position. Then I had to take a re-entry right here. Yeah, the re-entry was right here at this fair value gap, because price had already formed a perfect market structure shift right here, and I had a feeling that price was going to respect this gap. So I put my entry right here, and I was aiming for these lows right here for 17 pips to catch a 17 pip move right here, which would have been great for my account because it was down pretty bad. But it is also back with a 9 pip move. But I really wanted this 17 pip move. It was really good, but I didn't get it, so we'll try again next time. So that was my first take profit. This was my take profit right here, and I went break even after price took out this low. So after I went break even, price tapped, as you can see, this week went straight into my take profit, but for some reason price did not tag me out of that trade. I don't know. It is maybe because of spread. Then it started reversing, transformed this first market structure shift right here, and I thought I was a bit strong on my bias because one market structure shift does not determine the entire bias of the session or of a certain move. So I said that let me first wait for a second market structure shift, either to the downside or the upside. So I got it to the upside, and this validated. This was kind of like a strong indicator that price was going to respect the 1 hour PDRA, and I exited. I ended up taking a 9 pip trade right here. I ended up taking a 9. It was a 9 pip trade. Yeah, I ended up closing my position right there after price took out this thing high right here. This one was swing high right here. Yeah, 9 pips. I was able to get 9 pips. 9 plus 4 pips. 30, 13. So I got a total of 13 pips today. It's not bad, but I really wanted more today because last week's losing streak was really big. But yeah, at least we got some pips today, no, compared to yesterday. But yeah, it's really good. And tomorrow I'm planning to size in until this account. On this account, I'm planning to use a 0.02 lot size tomorrow if I get a trade. And if I lose, I'm going to go back to using a 0.01. Yeah, that's how I manage my risk. And yeah, that's how I manage my risk and prevent drastic or drastic decisions or blowing my account. So that's the trade recap for today, guys. Thank you for watching the videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll leave a live recording of the trade, and yeah, I'll leave the live execution of the trade. As you can see it in the video. You will see it in the video that I closed my first position early, and I would have got many pips. It would have been like it would have been like a 20 pip move. It was a 23 pip move if I did not close that position and by mistake. Yeah, so that's it. I hope to see you guys in the next video if I trade tomorrow. So for now, peace.